Okay, Cosmozel Nigeria Limited. Welcome to this brief overview of your website. Okay, just so you know, this is part of our project closing procedure. Alright, when we're done with a project and we're closing the website project and delivering it to our clients, we usually do a video review or overview of the whole website, all right, so you can know what actually went into the design and development of the website. All right, most times when you see a website, there is more to it than meets the ordinary eyes. All right, so this is your website on a desktop view. All right, I know you must have opened it through the link that I sent you. Possibly you must have opened it on a mobile view, all right, using your mobile phone. So that's just one view, but the website is designed to have several views, so you can have it opened from the desktop, from the laptop, and from the mobile. So when you open it from every view, you will see a very responsive and accurate user interface. Well, I'm going to come to that later. All right, it's just one of the features that you have in a website. All right, so starting up, you have this front page, which we call the home page, as you can see here, Cosmozel Nigeria Limited. So this is the home page right here. You can see this big sign here moving from side to side. You can see the nice animation you have here. All right, and you can see your picture right here. All right, giving it authority with this nice big background you have there, showing it's a construction website and you're into construction with your kits right here, looking very professional. You can see services over here, accomplishments, clients, testimonials, certifications, and then your work in display. This the images, the video, other images, and then you have the footer here with your logo, address, and quick links to different aspects of the website for better navigation. All right, so just taking it step by step. First and foremost, you can see that the first thing you see here is your logo. All right, you have your logo right here, and then you have the menu where you have the home page, the about page, the service page, the portfolio, and the contact. So these are the five main pages that you have on a website. All right, a simple basic website. All right, like I said, we have different types of websites at different levels of complexity. All right, so this is just a simple basic website for a construction company, which is what we do for some of our clients. All right, unless you want something much complex, depending on what you're doing with it. All right, so starting with the color palette, there's something we call color palette. Color palette simply means the color combination in the website. So we actually have a very distinct and unique color combination on this website, which is what we got from this your logo. All right, so let me just show you a copy of the website copy, what we used to put your color together. So you can see this, we have different types of colors that we put together from this your logo now that you gave us. There are different colors here that combine to form this logo. All right, so we have the primary colors, all right, which comprises of these ones right here. All right, this is their color code. This is Cosmozel blue, but there are different shades of blue that are there, which we put together. And then we also have green there, emerald green. There are different shades of green on this logo, which we put together. And then you also have secondary colors. We have platinum silver, we have charcoal black. All right, and then you also have accent colors, and then you have midnight navy. All right, and then this is the guide. We now put all of them together and came up with this guide here. We have light gray, charcoal black, Cosmozel blue, emerald green, platinum silver, and then midnight navy. So you can see that you have about 7 different colors that are combined in this your logo right here. Okay, so if you're not in design, you may not know. If you're not into design, you may just see it as just one color, but there are 7 different colors there, which is what we put together, all right, in this your website. And that's what we call branding. So we don't just design websites, we also do corporate branding, so that every of your marketing platform will have consistency in terms of the color. So you have this blue right here, which is the background, all right, And then in combination with this image, you have here a construction site. Okay, so everything rhymes. You have this bold Cosmozel Nigeria Limited here. Why we have it bold here is so that search engines can be able to capture it immediately. All right, so we not only build branding into our website design, we also put into consideration optimization. Every single thing you see on this website, it is actually put with intention. All right, so you see this Cosmozel Nigeria Limited here is an H1 tag. H1 tag simply means a tag that the search engine can actually pick up. And then you have this intro here. Welcome to Cosmozel Nigeria Limited, your trusted partner in construction and engineering excellence across Nigeria. All right, so you can see this sentence here is very, very key, because these are what people are searching for. They are searching for trusted construction companies. They are searching for top construction companies. They are searching for best construction companies across Nigeria, in Nigeria. All right, so these words are carefully chosen when we are designing our website. You can see here at Cosmozel Nigeria Limited, we are a leading construction and engineering firm based in Uyo. So you can see these words are carefully chosen. People are searching for leading construction companies, leading engineering companies, top construction companies, top engineering companies in Uyo, in Nigeria, in Akwa Ibom State. So anybody who is searching for or typing any of these things into the Google search engine, your website will definitely come up. So this is what we talk about this is what we mean when we talk about optimization. Do you understand what I'm talking about now? So all these words you see here, they were not just put here from our head. All right, using the company profile which you sent us, we actually rewrote that copy you have on your company profile. If you read through the copy you have here, even this place now, you can see here Cosmozel Nigeria Limited, transforming ideas into reality. Welcome to Cosmozel Nigeria Limited, your premier construction company in Nigeria. So people are searching for construction companies in Nigeria, premier construction companies in Nigeria, and trusted partner for civil engineering services in Nigeria, based in Uyo. So if people search for Uyo, search for Akwa Ibom State, they search for construction company, they search for civil engineering services, they search for top construction, all these things, as they search for it, because of these keywords that we have in your copy, your website will come up on the search engine. So these words are not put here arbitrarily, they are put here intentional. These are the language that the search engines can understand. So they are not just layman language. Even if you give us a copy, like you say you want to do some editing, some correction, even if you give it, we are still going to put it in a way, we are going to rewrite it and put it in a way that the search engine can pick it up. Do you understand? So we are professionals. We don't just design websites that will just serve as a photo album on the internet. No, our websites are designed to be picked up by the search engine. You can see here, from architectural design services to mechanical and electrical services, our multidisciplinary team ensures seamless coordination and superior outcomes. So when people are searching for architectural design services, mechanical engineering services, electrical engineering design services, because of these keywords here on your website, the search engine will pick it up, definitely. Do you understand? And then coming to this image here, you can see this image of you here with engineering kit and all that. These images are not just here for the sake of it. You can see they are not only, they are sized, all right, they are sized. You have to resize all of them, and then we have to tag them. All these images you see on this side, they are all tagged. They are all tagged to be picked up by the search engine. So that's what we call optimization. Are you getting it now? So you can see all these colors here, this blue, this black, and this white background. All right, they are part of this your color combination which we have here, which is what I started with. Do you understand? So I just wanted to let you know the amount of work or the quality of work that went into the design of this website. And then you come down here to your services. All right, when I have them here, building and structural engineering, architectural design, mechanical engineering, landscaping, quality painting production, project management, and all that. So these ones are put here boldly, all right, on the front page. You have your intro, you have your company name put boldly here, you have the introduction copies, and then you have your services here. When anybody is searching for any of these things, the search engine is going to pick up this your website. And then next thing you have here is your accomplishment. You have 476 projects, 121 happy clients, 15 awards. We just put these things here to give your website credibility. You didn't give us any of this information, but these are the things that people want to see when they come to your website. The next thing they want to see, who are your clients? Who have you served before? Who have you done business with before? So that's why we put this. You didn't give us all this, but we used the names you gave us, went online and got the logos. You have the Delta State Government, Akwa Ibom State Government, Federal Football Association, and all that and all that. So we'll put them here. So this gives credibility. These people have worked with so and so people. They have been working with state governments, so they have some credibility. And then the next thing people want to say, what are people saying about you? All right, that's why we'll have testimonials here. You didn't give us here as these ones as well, but we just, created it, designed it in such a way that it is convincing. Based on those company you gave us, we just put them here. And if you look at the background, you see the color combination. This is also part of your color palette. You see blue here, and then you see emerald green here. All right, this is a gradient. All right, and that's why I said color combination is also important. And then you have this emerald green here as well. So everything blends with your color combination. And then coming down here, you have your certification. This is another thing people want to see. Are they certified? Are they a registered company? So we have your CAC here. We have your article of association, memorandum of understanding, and current. All right, so these things also boost your credibility. And you can see we sized these things properly, and then we also tagged them. Each one of them is rightly tagged to be picked up by search engines. And then the next thing they want to see, what have they done? That's why you have here our work. We have this big picture here, rightly sized and also very well tagged to be picked up by search engine. And then you have this video here. If you click it now, it's connected to YouTube. You can just open it and then you see the video will be playing. All right, we have not launched this. All right, this is just for you to view it and then give us feedback. By the time we launch this whole thing, all this thing will be playing very, very perfectly. All right, and then you also have this one here. All your work here, some of them will just put them here, we'll size them rightly, and then also give them the right tags at the back of it. All right, label them properly here based on what you have on your company profile. Then if they want to see more of this, all right, they can go to your portfolio page, which we'll get to later. If they want to go there, they'll just click on see more. This see more will take them to your portfolio page. All right, but let's just take it step by step. I just wanted to show you the home page. So people want to see, who is this company, Cosmozel Nigeria Limited? What are they about? If they want, they just read a brief intro about your company here. All right, and that's why when you say, okay, you want to change this, well, if you're going to change it, it still has to be something that can be picked up by a search engine, just for you to take note. We'll still have to rewrite it. All these keywords must be there. Construction company, civil engineering company, architectural designs, all these things have to be in the intro page so that they can be picked up by the search engine, because the home page is very, very important when it comes to optimization. So if they want to read more, they can click this about us. It will take them to the about us page when they can read more details about your company. All right, so these are very, very important. Number one, the color combination, which is a very, very good way to boost credibility. Your branding, everything about your marketing, your promotional materials online has to be consistent. The colors on your website, the colors on your social media handles, the colors on your complimentary card, on your flyers, everything has to be consistent. That's why we use this color combination. So if you want to do anything, we can just copy this and give to you. If you want somebody to design your banner for you, design flyer for you, design brochure for you, the person needs to use this color palette. Very, very important. This is what branding is all about, so that there will be consistency with all your marketing information. All right, so that's that for this page. Next thing I want to talk about is the copy on this your website. Like I said, every sentence you see here, every word you see here was carefully chosen. Do you understand? And we didn't just choose them, we did what we call keyword research. When we start our website, part of the first things we do is keyword research. We do a research of your industry and your company. All right, what does that mean? We do a research of what are people searching for when they are looking for construction companies. What are they typing into Google? What questions are they asking? So we call this one keyword research, and that's what you have here on this spreadsheet. You can see this one here, Cosmozel keyword research. So this spreadsheet is actually a result of the keyword research that we did. So you can see all these keywords here: construction company in Nigeria, mechanical and electrical engineering services, construction companies in Lagos, construction companies, in construction engineering jobs, blah 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 blah. All these are keywords that people are typing onto the search engines when they are searching for people in your industry and people rendering your service. So we now gathered all these keywords together. You can see there are over almost 500 of them. All right, top construction companies, top 10 construction companies, top 50 construction companies, and all these things. These are what people are searching for online. Civil engineering, architectural design, blah blah blah. So all these are keywords people are searching for. So we put all of them together. You can see there are 413. So we have 413 keywords that we put together and used it to craft all the copies you have on this your website: the home page, the about page, the services page, the portfolio page, the contact page. So let me show you the website copy. So apart from the color palette which we did, we now put together your copy, your website copy. This one now is for the home page. So we now used the company profile you gave us, combined with the result of the keyword research that we did here, all this almost 500 words. We now used it to to craft the copy. This is the copy for your home page. You can see it now. All right, we crafted it, carefully selected the words and imputed it into the write-up. You can see this one now, and then go to the about page. All right, so this is the about page. All right, we crafted it based on the keyword research and based on the information you have on your company profile, for the sake of consistency, so that you can also tell the message that you actually want to tell, because we believe that what you have in your company profile is your message. So we combined your message in your company profile with the result of the keyword research, which is over almost 500 keywords, and that's what we used to craft this copy that you are seeing here. All right, so that's why I'm doing this video, so that you can have, you know, an overview of what actually went on when we're designing your website. So you're not just seeing an ordinary website just there. A lot of work has gone into getting this thing done. All right, so this one is the services page. You can see here, comprehensive construction service across Nigeria. Everything carefully crafted. All right, carefully crafted based on what you have on your company profile, and then what we have on the keyword research that we did. We now crafted everything together. All right, this one is for the portfolio page. All right, so let me go to those pages. All right, this one is the contact page. You can see here the contact page. So all the copies you have in this your website, we first of all created them before we started designing the website. The first thing we did is keyword research. All right, after keyword research, we now did the color palette branding. All right, put the colors together, and then we now started writing the copies before we started designing the website. All right, so it's professional design that we do here. So let's go to the about page. The next one is the about page. So if we open up the about page, you will see all the copies that we have, everything that we have here in this your about page that we crafted. Right here, you can see it now, about page. We first of all wrote down everything based on keyword research and based on the information you have on your company profile. So we crafted it right here. Okay, so this is the about page where we are right here. You can see the way the thing slided out, the title of the page. This is called animation. You see the nice background picture that we gave you here. So, building Nigeria's future with integrity, innovation, and excellence. You can see this very bold caption here. All these things are intentional. Established in 2012, Cosmozel Nigeria Limited has emerged as a leading construction and engineering firm headquartered in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. You can see these words, very, very key. Leading construction engineering firm. Uyo is here, Akwa Ibom State is here. Alright, so these are things people are searching for. I always make mention of these keywords, they are very important. Alright, your vision right here, and then with your picture here, with this your tool or whatever you call it, right here. You can see the way the words are sliding up. This is called animation. So put them, you can see the way they are sliding up. This is called animation. And it's a very, very nice user effect for visitors. Our mission, our core values, all these things are here. And then you see you have your services over here again. See the way they are sliding up. As you scroll, they just come out in a very nice way. Then our team, the team is put here. Alright, so we'll have your picture here. All these things are carefully sized and labeled. These other ones are just stock images we put here because we don't have these images from your company profile. And then you have the social media handles right here. We also have to attach all these ones by the time we'll launch. And then the next thing, our clients. You can see in the home page they were not labeled, but here we'll have them labeled. That's why we'll have to repeat them here, because this about us page is a page that says everything about the company, so we're not going into further details, right? And then here you have the projects, just some of them right here. You can see all these things where they carefully come out. You can see this one here, see this one here, see this one. By the time you click here, it will also take you to the portfolio page where you can see more of them. Alright, so you can see now another thing, the way I'm scrolling this thing, this is for the desktop view. The way I'm scrolling like this, you can see this menu here is sticking to the page, the top of the website. Alright, I don't have to go to the top just like you have in some website before I can navigate to another page. Even though I'm at the bottom of the page, if I want to navigate to another page, I can just come up here and just click, alright, or use any of these quick links down here. So I can just quickly go to the services page. This is called navigation. Alright, we also built it in such a way that it can easily navigate. Users or visitors can easily navigate from one part of the website to another. You can see the animation, the way the thing everything just sliding. Alright, so this is your services page where we now have the full catalog of all your services with detailed description of all of them. Alright, here you have the video. Alright, if you click on it, the video opens up. It's connected to YouTube. Alright, you can unmute it and you listen. Okay, so you can see it's playing there. Right, and comprehensive construction and engineering solutions across Nigeria. So this is just an intro. Okay, if you click this, by the time we launch it will take you to a page. We'll create a form. You have to, help us create a form for quotation. If people want to get quotation about the services, all right. So when they click this, we take them to a form. They fill the form. It will just bring the form, submit it to your email address. Alright, and then you can respond to the person. So we now have your services here in details. Alright, you have the title of the service, you have an introduction, and then you have the offerings, the offers you have inside each service. So this is a more detailed presentation of your services right here. Okay, then you have why choose us, why choose Cosmozel Nigeria Limited. So you are telling, because that's what will be going on in their mind, why should I work with this company, why should I choose this company? So we have some things itemized here based on research. Experience, people want to work with a company that has experience. Expertise, they want to work with a company that has expertise. Innovation, they want to work with a company that's innovative. Then client-centric, they want to be sure that you are concerned about your customers and their satisfaction. And then sustainability, all right. So all these things are what people are looking out for. Then next is the portfolio page. Let's go to the portfolio page where you now have all your work from the things you gave us in the company profile. We'll put them all together here. You can see now showcasing excellence in construction and engineering across Nigeria. Then you have the featured projects here. This one is the one you did for State Secretariat's building for Nigerian Football Federation, Abia State. So you see the client here, associated firm, scope, and the highlights, or the highlights of the project. And then you have the image here. So another one has slide up here. Brown Hill Event Center, Warri Delta State. So you can see the picture here. And then you have all the details here. You can see this one, 10,000 metric tons of grain silo in Oyo State ongoing. So you have the picture here, you have the details, and on and on. This one is a landscaping project you did in Warri Delta State, the image over there. So when they come, they can just easily see the projects that you have done, and this is very, very impressive. Alright, I can tell you for free, this particular page alone has brought a lot of contracts to many of our clients. When they are going for a contract, They just give them their website and they go to their portfolio page. They look at the work they have done. Most of them are very, very impressed and they are like, okay, man, we're going to work with you. This has happened over and over again. So when they come here, they can see all the projects you have done so far. All right. You can see the nice animation we put here. Why our clients trust us. End-to-end project management, technical rigor, sustainability focus, client collaboration, and all that and all that. So this is the portfolio page. And like I said, all these things were carefully crafted, right? And last but not the least is the contact page. So you go to your contact page, you now have full detail of your contacts right here. You can see contact us, your address, phone numbers, the email address, and office hours. Then if they want to send you a message, person can put his name, email address, and then put the message. This will just come straight to your email. All right, by the time these things are connected. They will now have a FAQ section here. FAQ is frequently asked questions. So we came up based on research. What questions are people asking about your services, about the construction industry? All right, so we now put some questions and answers here. This is what we call FAQ. And over here also, if you look at this, we have a map of Cosmozel Nigeria Limited. So this is a Google map for where your office is from your Google business profile. You can see here Cosmozel Nigeria Limited. So this is the particular location where your office is in Nigeria. So this also helps for Google search engine to be able to pick up your website when people are searching. If anybody who is searching anything related to construction anywhere around this area where you have this map now, your site is likely to come up. That's the reason we have this map here. All right, this is very, very important for optimization. All right, so this is just a quick overview of the whole website from beginning to end. There are a whole lot more that are into it, but I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so it's just to give you a heads up of what we did on this website. You can see the way the home page is just sliding very, very nice. All right, so these ones where they are just sliding in. Okay, so everything is intentional and very, very professional. All right, sorry about the noise at the background. Okay, office area, people are just having different engagements. All right, so that is it. So everything we have done on this website, from the color branding to the keyword research to the copywriting to everything we have put on the website, was professionally done. This is a professionally designed website. And then the last thing I want to talk about is responsiveness, mobile responsiveness. Like I said when I started this video, I'm viewing this from a desktop, right? But most of your visitors will be coming from a mobile phone. They will also be coming from tablets. All right, when people open the website from a tablet, what do they see? When they open it from a mobile phone, what do they see? So I just want to give you that view. All right, so this is what we'll call responsiveness. You can see I reduced it to a mobile view. When you open it from the mobile using the link that I sent you, this is what you are going to see. You can see the way everything just reduced and readjusted. It didn't just scatter. You can see these words now. When they were on the desktop view, look at it. It's very big and bold. But now I go to mobile view, see the way it just quickly readjusted, resized itself. This is what we call mobile responsiveness. See, everything just readjusted and arranged themselves very nicely and neatly. So this is the mobile view. You can see they just align themselves one after the other. All right, if you go to some websites that are not mobile responsive, by the time you are opening it from a mobile phone, everything will just scatter. All these things, they will be too big, they will just be scattered, everything will just be anyhow. It is because those websites are not mobile responsive. So this website is built to be mobile responsive. You can open it from desktop and from tablet and from mobile. Now let me readjust it to the tablet view. Let me readjust it now. So this is the tablet view. And people will be opening it from tablet. This is what they are going to see. You can see the way it just readjusted carefully. This thing is still sliding up there. Are you seeing it now? So this one has become bolder here now, but also carefully aligned. You can see. Are you seeing it now? You're seeing it now. Everything is still well placed, well laid out for the tablet view. So this is what we call mobile responsiveness or mobile responsivity. Nothing scattered, everything just readjusted and realigned. All right, go to mobile view, see it very well aligned and adjusted. Okay, and then you open it to the desktop view. Everything adjusts themselves, becomes bolder, becomes much legible for those viewing it from desktop. But 90% of people who will be coming to your website will be coming from the mobile phone. So this mobile view is very, 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 very important. Alright, so that's what I have for you on this presentation. I hope you like it, I hope you love it, and I can tell you this website is top notch. We gave you our best design here, put in all our best work here, and I hope you appreciate it. I'm looking forward to your feedback so that we can launch this and get it done, dusted, and delivered as quickly as possible. Right, so thank you so much. I'll sign out right now. Peace.